Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals. Today we are going to see the chapter number 3.3, problem number 9. So here a trapezium is given where I have this two parallelograms, that is risk is one parallelogram and then clue is another parallelogram. Okay, so we have to find the value of x. X is here, we have to find that. So before proceeding with the problem, for easy understanding, let me draw risk parallelogram separately and then your clue parallelogram separately. So again, what are all the values we know? This is 120 degree and then this is 70 degree. Okay, so using these values only we are going to find out the value of x. Okay, so very well we know that the opposite angles in a parallelograms are equal. Okay, so in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So using this property I can say that angle K is equal to angle I. Okay, so this value is 120 degree. Okay, similarly angle L is equal to angle E. So when you see this parallelogram, angle L is equal to angle E, right? So this value is 120 degree, this value is 70 degree. Let you mark that in the original diagram. Okay, so what and all you have determined? I, angle I is 120 degree and angle E is 70 degree. Okay, this value is 70 degree. Okay, and then again I need to find out the x value. So it is easy to find out when I know s value, right? Angle s value. Okay, so again coming to this parallelogram, I know that adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, in parallelogram again adjacent angles are supplementary, that is the addition of adjacent angles are 180 degree. Okay, so angle R plus angle I is equal to 180 degree. So angle R I need to find out, angle I know that it is 120 degree which is equal to 180 degree. So angle R is 180 minus 120 degree which is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, so now you have determined that this value is 60 degree. Similarly opposite angles are equal, so definitely this angle is also what, 60 degree. Okay, so again I know that opposite angles are equal in parallelogram, therefore angle R is equal to angle S which is equal to 60 degree. So already here I have determined that R is equal to 60. Using that I can determine that opposite angle S is also 60. So in the figure I can mention that this value is also what, 60 degree. So once you have determined these two values, it is easy to find out x value. So considering this as what, a triangle, this is nothing but a triangle. So using this triangle, okay, here already I have known it is 70, this is 60 and this value I have to find out x. Okay, so using this triangle I know the property is what, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree, therefore x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, x plus 60 plus 70 is nothing but 180 degree. So x plus 130 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 130, okay, which is nothing but x is equal to 50 degree. So this is the required answer. So this angle x is nothing but 50 degree. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.